Hello, wonderful soul. In this bustling world, you've chosen to gift yourself these next few minutes. It's important to remember that you're a priority, and allowing yourself even just a few short minutes of intentional reflection can really have a positive impact on the rest of your day. Begin by finding a quiet spot for yourself, close your eyes, and focus on centering yourself. Redirect all your energy to the rhythm of your breath. Let's breathe in for 5 counts of breath from 1 to 5. And slowly out, breathe deeper for another 5 counts of breath from 1 to 5. And more deliberately than you have today. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill every corner of your lungs. Exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of today's weight. As you continue to breathe, connect with your body. Recognize areas that feel tensed or heavy, perhaps from carrying burdens, worries, or responsibilities. Shower these areas with love, allowing them to soften and release their hold. Thank your body for taking such good care of you, and let it know that it's okay to rest and relax for these next few minutes. You may notice that your mind starts to wander off. That's okay, that's natural. Just notice it and bring your attention back to your body using your breath as your anchor. Try to picture one thing that's happened today that's made you smile or made you thankful or appreciative, and just let that feeling fill you up. For a moment, breathe that feeling in from the top of your head to the tips of your toes and allow yourself to smile if that feels natural. Now focus on something that you can do today, whether it's for yourself or for someone else, that will allow you to continue feeling this way. It could be something as small as deciding to go to bed early tonight, watching the stars tonight sparkle in the sky, or having a laugh with a close friend. What's one little thing you can plan for to sprinkle joy into your day? Just focus on that for a few minutes. Sit in that feeling of joy and peace. Let's take a few more deep breaths together. A deep breath in, feeling your lungs expand out as you inhale, and everything contract back in as you exhale again. An even deeper breath than the one before it, holding that breath for, and exhaling everything out, releasing any lingering stress. Now, for the last time, your deepest breath, yet sending that breath through your entire body. And exhale it out, and in your own time, slowly bring your awareness back to where you are, and thank yourself for taking these few minutes to just be intentional and kind to yourself. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day, refreshed and recharged.